morning, children. Today, this lesson is I am going to take is for class 4 CBSE Science, and let me give a motivation about this lesson. And before some years, you will be a child, okay? After sometimes you will crawl. After sometimes you start to walk, okay? And you start to run, and you will become a boy, okay? From child stage to next stage is a boy, okay? And after that you will become a young man, okay, or young girl. Then you will become an adult, okay? You will not be a baby from the beginning till the end. You will grow, okay? This growth and this alteration and this development from a child to a adult is this concept of the lesson, and we are going to see about it's all a cycle, okay? In this lesson we are going to see about importance of reproduction in animals, life cycles of different animals, similarities and differences between the life cycles of different animals, okay? See here the picture is given here, and see the frog has laid eggs here, and here the next stage is tadpole, and it has become a frog. The final stage is being an adult, okay? A frog from the egg stage to its adult is given here. So in this lesson we are going to see some more animals and their life cycle. The olive ridley. Have you heard about olive ridley? Olive ridley is a small tortoise, okay, tortoise which dwells in the sea, and sea turtles are one of the oldest living group of animals on the planet. They have been around for several thousands of years. The olive ridley sea turtles, okay. Some measuring steps are taken in the seashore side to make the to save the eggs of the olive ridley, okay. Otherwise the turtle may become extinct, okay. What is extinct means? It will the whole the species of this olive ridley will be die, and it will be endangered, okay. What does mean by endangered means? It will gone from the exist from this world, okay. So to avoid these type of conditions, the olive ridley's eggs are being saved by the people, okay, by the social workers. The turtles are omnivores. They eat jellyfish, crabs, snails, shrimp, a variety of fish, and some water plants, okay. Turtles are omnivores. What are omnivores? In early class we have seen that omnivores are creatures which eat both plants and animals, okay. Female turtles lay eggs in sand burrows at the beach. After 45 to 60 days, the eggs hatch and the turtle babies emerge and crawl towards the ocean, okay. This is the life cycle of olive ridley, okay. Sea turtles lay eggs in sand burrows. Even if they are dwelling in sea, they will lay eggs in the sand burrows in the shore, okay. After 40 to 60 days, the eggs hatch and the turtle babies emerge and crawls in the ocean, okay. Some people will destroy it. So the social workers collect those eggs and make it to hatch in a safe place, okay. This is the life cycle of olive ridley. These turtles have been around several thousands of years. However, they are slowly starting to disappear now. As I have told you earlier, they are being changed into an extinct creature, endangered creature, okay. So some reasons for the sudden decrease in the numbers are provided as picture clues for you. Describe what you see in the space provided, okay. See, the social worker is collecting the eggs of the olive ridley, and some of the evil effect of plastic is given here. So the turtle's face has been covered by using a plastic, and it is unable to respirate, and it will die. See here, the net of the fish, some fisherman has been stuck in the body of the turtle, okay. So you have to write it clearly what has given in this picture. All type of living things reproduce to continue their existence on the earth. In this lesson we will learn about the different types of animals reproduction. In this lesson we are going to see about reproduction of animals. What is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which living things produce their young ones of their own kind, okay. The young ones of an animal is also known as its offspring. What is reproduction? process by which the living things produce young ones of their own kind. The young one of an animal is also known as its offspring. Okay. See, swan and cygnet, okay, the offsprings of the swan, okay, the rhino, here the ape and its young one, polar bear and its young one. Here pig and piglet, snail and its young one. So, many animals reproduce by laying eggs. It is always the female animal that lay eggs. We all know that the female only give birth to their young ones. Birds, fishes, insects and even reptiles such as turtles, snakes, lizards and alligators and crocodiles usually reproduce laying eggs. Okay, they are called as egg laying animals, and some other kinds are there. They give birth to their young ones and they are called as mammals. Birds usually build nests and lay the eggs in them. Fishes and frogs lay the eggs in water, whereas reptiles such as crocodiles and olive ridley turtles usually lay their eggs in burrows. There are different mode of reproduction and different types of laying their eggs in the animals. Okay. See here, crocodile is laying egg in a burrow. Okay. Likewise, olive ridley also lay eggs in a burrow. Once laid, the eggs of many animals require warmth and to keep them grow well and hatch. In such cases, the mother protects the eggs. You know, you all know you have a hen in your house. The hen will lay egg in and sit in the egg for 24 or 23 days and it will hatch the eggs. Okay. If you hope you have a experience of hatching eggs of hen in your home. This process is known as incubation. Okay, this process which I have explained is also called as incubation. An example for an animal that incubates its eggs is called a bird. Okay, most birds sit on their eggs. As I have said to you, most birds sit on their eggs to keep them warm. Snakes coil around their eggs to keep them warm. Then only the egg will hatch and it will have that kind of warmth feeling to hatch. After the incubation period, the offspring hatches from the egg. What is the offspring? The young ones of the same kind is called as offspring. Okay. See here, the penguin is incubating the egg here under her feet. So, a poem is given here and you have some worksheets given here. After I complete this lesson, these worksheets will be given for you in the group as homework and you have to do this. The young ones of some animals grow inside the mother's body for a certain period. Okay. Once they are ready to survive in the world outside, the mother gives birth to them. Animals that give birth to young ones and secrete milk to feed their young ones are called as mammals. Okay. Animals which give birth to young ones, not lay eggs. Okay. There are two types I have already told you, laying eggs and giving birth to young ones. Okay. Laying eggs are called as, they lay their eggs and give birth to their young ones, and reproduction through giving birth to young ones. Okay. They are called as mammals. It is always the female animal that gives birth to young ones and feed them. Elephants, dolphins, lions, whales and monkeys are few examples for mammals. Okay. See here, the elephant gives birth to its calf, dolphin and her pup, dog and puppies. The young ones are much smaller in size compared to the adult. They need care and guidance from the adults till they grow enough to take care of themselves. Okay. Hope you have understand these lessons, and so far we have seen about life. It's all about a cycle. Okay. What is the cycle? From young stage, younger one to adult. Okay. This is the lesson we have learnt today. Okay. In the end of the session, the worksheets will be given and try to complete this, and thank you.